People are choosing flooring that looks beautiful for exactly only 2 weeks. And then the regret begins. Phone calls, WhatsApps, and site visits. And the question is same. Ceylan, what do we do now? My floor is peeling. My grout is dirty. My tiles are yellowing. My laminate is swelling. And my marble looks destroyed. Unfortunately, the worst part. Most of these mistakes happen because people trust trends instead of logic. They trust Instagram instead of real life usage. They trust showroom lighting instead of their own home's lighting. So today, I want to talk about the 5 flooring choices people regret most in 2025. Not the ones designers or influencers hate, the ones homeowners call me to fix, the ones that drain money, energy, and patience. This is going to be an interesting real life video. So relax, grab a coffee, and let's walk through this together. If you are renovating now or planning to renovate in 2026, watch every minute. It will save you money, frustration, and maybe sanity. But first, I would really appreciate it if you could check one more time whether you have already subscribed. It genuinely helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to bring you more real life content. So please smash in subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Number 1. Laminate flooring in hot, humid climates. Let's start with the queen of regrets. Laminate flooring in humid areas. A complete disaster. I know, it looks great in photos and the wood texture seems cozy. And also I know that showrooms market it aggressively. But laminate is basically compressed paper with printed texture. And in humidity place, it destroys immediately. If you spill water, it swells. Mop too wet, it bubbles. AC leaks, it leaves like a tent. Even normal humidity can cause warping, especially near kitchens and bathrooms. And when laminate is damaged, you cannot repair it. You must replace the entire section, sometimes the entire room. And please note it, even you replace it properly, there will be always color tones difference between old and new ones. People install it because it's cheap, but guess what? 2 replacements later, you have spent more than a proper engineered wood floor. This year alone, I have had so many clients begging me to save their laminate floors. I can't. Nobody can. Laminate cannot be fixed, only replaced. If you live in hot place, anywhere with heat and moisture, laminate flooring is not a budget choice. It's a false economy. So don't waste your money. Number 2. High gloss white tiles. Listen, high gloss tiles are beautiful in showrooms. They shine, they look modern, and they feel luxurious. But in reality, they show every footprint, every drop of water, dust particles, and every shadow. If you have kids, pets, or even just walk around your home normally, you will spend your life for cleaning. The regret usually starts within 24 hours. I once had a client who took 3 steps on their new high glossy floor, looked down, and realized, oh no, what I have done. Because high gloss tiles are mirrors, mirrors on the floor. Humidity and daily dust make them nightmare. Even with constant cleaning, they look dirty within minutes. And here is something people don't know. Gloss tiles scratch easily. Furniture legs, chairs, they leave visible marks. And once gloss is scratched, there is no fixing it. They look outdated fast. They reflect too much light. They distort room colors. And yes, they are cold, sterile, and not a chic way. This is one of the biggest regrets of 2025. I see non-stop in almost all projects because customers are insisting to have it everywhere. If you want shine, choose satin. If you want modern, choose matte large format. If you want easy cleanup, choose textured porcelain. But high gloss, no. Please don't follow everything from Instagram to reflect to your place. Number 3. Cheap marble or budget natural stone. This one breaks my heart because marble is stunning. It's timeless, elegant, and luxurious. But cheap marble, the low grade slabs, the soft ones, the ones developers throw into apartments, the ones homeowners choose because it's a deal. Unfortunately, it's a big disaster. Natural stone requires maintenance, sealing, polishing, cleaning with the right products. But low grade marble is usually full of pores, full of weak veins, full of inconsistent minerals. It stains easily, it chips, it absorbs oil, it etches with lemon, vinegar, even perfume. The shine fades quickly. I see people proudly say, "We bought marble, it was such a good price." But 6 months later, they are calling me and saying, "Why does my floor look dirty even after cleaning? Why do I have circles everywhere? Why does my marble look dull? And why are pieces cracking?" Because low quality marble isn't a deal, it's a permanent headache. If you want marble, choose premium slabs. If the budget doesn't allow it, go with high quality marble look porcelain. Don't waste money on soft, cheap, weak stone. It looks good only on installation day. Then the suffering begins. Number 4. Dark wood floors in bright, sunny homes. I know, dark floors are dramatic. They look rich, moody, and elegant. They photographed beautifully. They look amazing on Instagram. But in sunny climates like Dubai, where the sunlight enters the home aggressively, dark wood floors fade fast, very fast. Within months, you see uneven patches. Areas near windows become grayish or reddish. Heavy sun exposure dries the wood, reduces its lifespan. Furniture legs drag scratches that show instantly. Every dust particles becomes visible. Also, pet hairs becomes visible. People love dark floors until they live with them. And the real regret comes after 1 year, when the fading becomes obvious and the floor starts looking tired, old, and inconsistent. Unless you live in shaded, low sunlight home, dark floors are commitment you will regret. Number 5. Ultra cheap wood look tiles. Let's admit that some wood look tiles are beautiful. Premium ones look better than real wood and are practically bulletproof. But cheap wood look tiles, the ones with unrealistic repeating patterns, the ones with cartoonish grains, the shiny ones, unfortunately, they ruin the whole home. Here is what people regret most. The floor looks fake. It feels hard. The patterns repeat every 4 to 5 tiles. The grout lines break the illusion. The colors look orange or greenish under normal lighting. And worst of all, they date the home instantly. Homeowners tell me the same thing. It looked good in the showroom, but at home it looks cheap. Cheap wood look tiles are one of the top regret purchases globally right now. They seem budget friendly, but they make the whole home look low quality. If you want wood look tiles, choose long planks, matte textures, soft variations, and of course, high end brands. Otherwise, don't do it at all. The real issue why these mistakes happen. Most flooring regrets happen because people shop with emotions, not logic. They see a picture or a trend, or they see a showroom, but they don't think about sun exposure, cleaning routines, daily lifestyle, kids, pets, humidity, and budget for repairs. And please don't forget, flooring is not a decoration, it's the foundation of your home. One wrong choices affects your life every single day. So, what is the alternatives? The safe, smart, regret-free options. If you want no regrets, go with high quality matte porcelain. Select engineered wood for dry areas. Go with satin or honed finishes instead of glossy ones. Use minimal grouting. Select soft mid-tone floors. Choose large formal tiles. And every time, select premium stone alternatives. These are timeless, practical, durable, and beautiful. And please don't forget, your home deserves better. Flooring mistakes are expensive, not just in money, but in stress. When your floor bothers you, it affects how you feel at home. These 5 choices cause the highest regret in 2025. And I see it every week with clients, all the way villas and townhouses. If you are renovating soon, please save yourself the pain. Choose wisely. And if you are unsure, please message me. I love helping people avoid these disasters. And let me know in the comments if you have experienced any of these regrets or if there is a flooring type you are worried about. I replied everyone. And if this helped you, hit subscribe and like button because it will help to motivate me and keep the channel grow. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one.